Hi people, hello there. Today we're going to keep working on Unit 9, How Adventurous Are You? But now we're going to use our workbook and let's open it on page 86, and then we have the beginning of the unit in the workbook, and it's language in context. Remember that in the students book we've been working about foods from different countries and different continents and different kinds of food. So now activity 1 says listen and match, write the number, okay? And this activity we have 4 dishes. Remember that these are dishes that we use and we talk about in the students book, so I hope you remember. But if you can't remember, you can take your students book, because you are going to write the number in order. For example, which is the first dish that you listen to? This number 1, letter A, number 2, letter C, number 4, for example. Okay, and then you are going to write the name of the dish under the picture. Okay, please write the name of the dish. Now let's listen to the audio so we can keep going with more activities.
Workbook, page 86, Activity 1. Listen and match. Write the number. Number 1. Marinated octopus is a traditional seafood dish from Greece. The octopus is left in olive oil, lemon juice, and herbs for a short time. It's delicious. Number 2. Tandoori chicken is a popular traditional dish from India. It is made with chicken and spices like pepper and curry. It tastes hot and spicy. Number 3. This Filipino dessert is called buko pandan. It looks pretty, and it has a wonderful sweet taste. Number 4. Chinese soup has tofu in it. It's hot and sour. It has a very unusual taste.
Okay, that's it. If you need to listen to the audio again, you can go back to the part of the video where it started. Now, let's check activity 2, and the instruction says, read about the foods in the pictures in activity 1, rate them. Okay, you need to rate them, and you have 3 options. 1 means I really want to try it. 2, I might want to try it. And 3, I never want to try it. Okay, you have 4 descriptions of the dishes that we talk about in the activity number 1, and now you're going to rate them by yourselves. Okay, it's about number 1 says this Filipino dessert is called buko pandan. It looks pretty and it has a wonderful sweet taste. Okay, I have 3 options. I really want to try it, I might want to try it, I never want to try it. Okay, you are going to choose however you want, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Okay, that's it. And then activity 3 says, how adventurous are you with food? Look at your ratings in number 2, exercise number 2, and check your answer. Okay, the first one says, I'm very adventurous. I rated most of the foods as 1. Okay, and second option is, I'm somewhat adventurous. I rated most of the food as 2. And the third one says, I'm not adventurous at all. I rated most of food as 3. Okay, and that's it. Now let's turn to the next page, and it's page 87, and we have a chart, and it's a listening. The instruction says, listen and check the words you hear for each food. You have 4 dishes. gazpacho, sushi, and so on. And then you have adjectives to describe food: unusual, tasty, popular, raw, spicy, sweet, traditional, and delicious. Okay, you are going to listen to the audio and check. Please, I'm going to play the audio, so pay attention to it and you don't miss any part at all. Remember that if you need to go back to this part and listen to the audio again, you are free to do it.
Workbook, page 87. Activity 4. Listen and check the words you hear for each food. 1.
This is a traditional tasty dish from Spain. It's called gazpacho, and it's eaten cold. It is spicy but delicious.
2.
This is a popular traditional dish from Japan called sushi. It's made with raw fish, rice, and seaweed. It has an unusual taste.
3.
This is a traditional main dish from Morocco. It's called tagine. It's made of meatballs and sauce. It is a hot, spicy dish that is very tasty.
4.
This is a delicious, sweet dessert from Italy called spumoni. It has fruit in it.
And that's it, okay? As I told you, you need to pay attention carefully to the description that he's saying about each dish, okay? And then the last activity is activity 5 on the same page, and it says, what food do you like? What food don't you like? What does it taste like? Okay, you need to use those 2 lines to write your answers. You have 3 questions and you need to answer to them. What food do you like? What food don't you like? And what does it taste like? Okay, answer to those 3 questions. And the last one is think big. Name a traditional food from your country, then circle words to describe it. For example, I can choose pozole, mole, tamales, etc. And then I'm going to circle the words that describe it. For example, you have the word hot, raw, sweet, spicy, cold, sour, unusual, popular, and delicious. Okay, you can choose to describe it however you want to, and you can choose the words you want. Okay, and that's it for today. So please don't forget to take pictures of these 2 pages that we did today, so I can check your activities. Okay, and that's it for today. Have a nice day. I'll see you the next time tomorrow. Bye.